Hi.
Hi. So I'm here with Deep Dough. It's getting kind of dark here, but he's doing a headlight restoration. You can see how dull those look. I'll show that to you right there. Dull, 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 dull. And he's already started over here.
So I mean, I kind of do it by hand first, and I use this stuff right here. No Secrets, Mother's aluminum mag and aluminum polish, and it works. It works better than any of the stuff I ever used. So I just get this so I can get every inch of it. I do it by hand so I can do every inch of it, and then I'll polish it with my machine. So now I'm gonna put a bit on there so that I can work some in, as you see. And then I'll take my machine.
So this isn't something that people should be doing on their own, right?
Well, you can, but you know, it's better to have some type of theory in it, you know. Okay.
There goes Deep Dough with those muscles again.
So this is a low RPM move here. Low RPM with the foam pad. Working already. Working already. Wow. So you kind of just like buffing the paint, you just want to make sure that the material works. Hope you can see it. It's getting dark on me right now. And I gotta finish this job, so you know.
We can see you just fine.
So
We just want to watch you.
Take a look and see how it looks, right?
We want to see.
Well, it came out pretty nice. Look, and I'm gonna do it again, of course.
Wow, so he's not even done yet.
And
But this is because this one wasn't that bad because you take care of this car, right?
well, yeah, it was bad once. It was weird, you know.
I meant before you started right now.
Yeah.
We did see the other one. It didn't look too bad. But we'll go over there and take another look at it.
You know what you're asking. It used to be bad a long time ago. I mean, it was like totally, you couldn't see through it at all. But I keep up on it, you know. So
before you started this one today, it wasn't that bad today.
It was kind of dull today. Yes,
it was dull.
Yeah.
We'll go over there and see the other one again, just so everybody can look at it and see.
Well, yeah, go take a look at the other one and then come back.
Okay, we want to watch you work though.
Wow. So like I'm just repeating my whole method over again, you know. Second time's always the best. And all you know, in different situations, different, you know, like sometimes it won't work, you know, but most of the times it does. So here I go. Wow, that came out pretty good. So, yeah. So if there's somebody drives up behind you and has bright lights, don't blame it on me.
Don't blame it on Deep Dough. Wow, look at that.
This one will go.
Wow.
You'd think you would have high beams on, but
finish. Okay.
I would say this is good. I feel like I want to do it again.
Okay, go ahead, because we want to get you more. We only been
I
watching you.
I wanted to last. Yeah. It's just like the corners and stuff. Like if you don't get the corners, that means it's kind of like the corners with the the oxidation on the corners will just come in, you know. And
we want to see how every little thing is done.
You know, so that's basically what I was really wanting to go around it again. I'll put a little bit on here and then polish. Yeah, the edges is gotta make sure you get the edges. That's where it'll come back. If you don't get every inch of it, it'll come back easily. You think it starts here, but it really actually will start here. You treat it like a cancer. You want to get it all out, you know? Like it's a cancer. So that looks pretty good.
What were you saying about treat it like a cancer?
Yeah, you know how cancer. You know how the doctor will.
Oops, sorry, people.
The doctor will do an operation and he cuts out all the cancer. You know, he wants to get all of the cancer because if you don't, it's gonna come right back. That's how this is. You know, like you got to do the same thing. You got to get every inch of it. And what I mean every inch is all around here, in here as well. Else it'll start coming in like that, going in like that. It'll start, you know.
And tomorrow, can we show them tomorrow a video of lights that happened to them so that it's beyond repair? We'll show them that tomorrow.
Okay.
Right?
Look,
There's
so
a vehicle that
if you take a look at that one, and before I start doing it.
Okay, let's show you. Wow.
So you see the difference already. That looks actually new.
Let me get a good look at that. Wow.
Yeah. So
Let's go over here and see this one again. Look at the difference there. Look at the difference. My
so
gosh.
this is, I'm using aluminum polish, guys. I mean, you know, I don't know. You might have heard of it. I don't know, but I've never seen anybody do aluminum. I accidentally figured this one. I didn't have any more stuff to do with headlights, and I just thought about what would work. And then I tried this stuff, and man, it works like a charm. So ever since, and I've been getting good results. I think one time I did it and it didn't work because of the actual headlight, not because of the stuff, you know. So it's working even right now, you know, and it's not really the elbow grease, it's the stuff, you know. I don't know what's in it, but I wish I knew. I wouldn't be rubbing on this car if I knew.
It's okay, we like watching what you're doing. We're just gonna watch you
now
here.
if you guys got any other ways of doing it that's good, let me know. Drop it in on the comment section.
Show you a little bit of that.
And just let me know. I mean, I'm open, you know. Just like I said, this just works. It works for me. So I just do what works for me. And as long as my customers are happy, I'm going to continue doing it. But if there's something else that you guys do, I would be interested in to find out. By the way, this is this car is an 08. It's mine. It's my workmobile. It's an 08. That's how old these headlights are. So. That's what I like about these foam pads. You really can't make mistakes with this machine and all that. If I had the high speed, if I had my high speed going, I probably, would be damaging something, the edges or whatever. You guys know about the high speed buffer. That's what I learned on, but I retired my high speed buffer. Look at this. Look at that. That's coming out nice. This is the new age here. Yeah, my high speed buffer. I retired it. I'll use it if I need to, but
Good. Now we can hear you.
I don't need to use it. And I can work a high speed. I'm real good at it without burning the paint, without leaving swirls and all that. But that's what this does. This does like.
Let's go over here to my car and show them how you don't want to let your car get, because it won't be. You're not able to bring it back to life. Can we show them real quick?
Well, yeah, I'll show you.
Just pivot over there.
Yeah, on her car.
Show them why this is like a.
Yeah, somebody. You can even see it here. I don't know if you can see it because it's somebody sprayed clear on it, and you can see it cracking. It's just like the paint. Like if the paint would do it.
Wow.
And you can't do anything about it because
we see it.
Oh, can you see it?
We see it.
Yeah, right up in here. And I tried to do hers and it won't come out. It won't come out shiny like that, like over here. So
she has to replace her car and get a new one.
Well, it's time for another one anyway. So
Deep Dough is gonna look at that light right there. Look at that. You can eat off of that. Look at that. Look at that. My gosh. Woo, I'm feeling this right now, and this is as smooth as a baby's butt. I mean, this is as smooth as a baby's butt that's just out of the bathtub. Like smooth baby's butt right here. Let's see what he's doing over here.
I don't know if you heard me, but she knows what baby butts feel like because she have a bunch of kids. So she know how baby butt.
Ooh, Deep Dough. Ooh.
So, yeah. I'm her baby. No, I won't go. We won't go there. We won't go there, guys. That is the snowman. Look at that. That's come out really nice. I hope you guys can see this. It's getting darker and darker as we go here.
Yeah, there's lights in the garage, so we can see it.
Wow. I'm actually gonna be able to see in front of me real good now for miles. Okay, I think this one's
See, we got
done.
you to do your headlights. Nice.
Yeah.
Touch that and see. Wow. Wow.
So it's not hard. It's just knowing. I mean, you get this stuff, and you will not have to buy Headlight restore or anything. You won't have to buy it no more. Just buy this. This is under $5 here, under $5. This is small box. I'm gonna get the big one, so I won't have to, because I'm using it a lot now. So I'm gonna get the big one. Big one's maybe $7 or $8. I don't know. But
Nice.
ta-da! That's it. That's it. It might be. I wish it was a little bit more sunnier. I can see, but I think that is fine. It's just it might come back, but it ain't gonna be like it was.
Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. He did a headlight restoration, and the sun is setting. I'll show you up here where we live at. The sun is setting. Still kind of light, but
Yeah.
Deep Dough's still working.
Yeah.
Well, Deep Dough, nice work. Nice work, babe.
Hey. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.